Good morning, children. In the previous class, you have learned about types of control structures. In this class, let's learn different types of control statements in Python. Here, we are having three types of control statements. What are those, children? If statement, if else statement, and if else statement. In the if statement, what is the means of if statement? So, as you all know very well, condition. So here it will apply a condition. If the condition is true, then you will be accepted. For example, if we take for a voting, if you have got 18 years and more, you are eligible to vote. If you are not having 18 years of age, so you are not eligible to vote. So like that, here in the if statement, we will give a condition there. So your age is greater than 18, you will be vote. That will be displayed if it is true. If it is false, it will be displayed you are not eligible to vote. At last, it will goes to the stop. This is a if statement. In the if else if statement, different the conditions will be there. In the if block, the condition will be true, and if the given condition is false, the else part will be executed. For example, if it is raining, you will go. If it is raining, you will be inside and you will play indoor games. If it is not raining, means you will go outside and play. What it is a condition here? Condition is weather. If the weather is raining, you will not go. If it is not raining, you will go and you will play. Next, the last topic is if else statement. In this, we'll use if else if constructions. Means here too many else conditions will be there. So here number of conditions will be executed. So it will soon checking one by one like this. For a simple thing, if we take an example of current. For example, your current units will be 0 to 50 units means it will give 1 unit. After 50 to 100 means it will give another rate. After 100 to 150, it will give another statement. Means here it will give different types of here it will have a different types of conditions. So if one condition gets true, it will display that body. If that condition will be false, it will check the another condition. If the same that condition will be false, it will go to the last else statement. So here many different else statements will be there. So at last, if all the conditions are false, means it will comes to the last else statement. If the first condition is true or first condition is false, means it will come to the next condition like this. If else statement. These are the three types of control statements in the conditional statements in Python.